welcome back to Mad Life. Today's another feature car day. Now I saw this car at a show recently and it really stood out to me, so I thought this is the car that I had to bring you guys. So it's a 2008 Subaru IMPREZA STI hatch. This car's running 17 psi and 420 brake horsepower. It's an absolutely epic machine. Well, you'll see that in a minute. Now if this is your first time here, don't forget to give us a subscription, leave us a comment, but also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our further videos that we produce. Right, let's go take a look. Hit the subscribe button now. Don't forget to check out our back. Welcome back to the Useless Garage. Today we're going to
did you find a way to run?
Round one, fight!
I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
Thanks for watching our latest video. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Well, thanks to Scott for sharing his awesome car, and we'll see you all again on a feature car very soon.